Looking at a possible setup here on futures, it's 154, possible cup pattern forming here. Watching the 64.15 to 16 area resistance. So I want to see if this 5-minute candle will hold below that 64.15 and maybe take an entry above this 64.16 level to break high of day. So you'll see price has been kind of moving up pretty bullish most of the price action today. So I'm going to watch this new 5-minute candle form and see, watching again that 64.1608 area. So I want to see if price gets above that area, and if so, I'll look to take a possible entry. All right, new 1-minute candle, 5-minute candle about to form. Going to watch again and see if price will break above high a day at that 64.1608. And not yet. So I'm going to do a. That's one thing I got to learn with this platform still. I still haven't figured out how to get the buy stop, move the screen so I can move the buy stop. I know how to do buy stop entries, but I don't know how to put it on the chart over here. Let me see if I can figure that out right now and adjust it based upon how the chart is. So let me see if I can do a buy stop. It won't let me right click it. Can't figure it out right now. I'm not gonna. I'll wait for now to do it, but I want to see because typically you could just kind of drag it on the chart and see I can't go any higher on this chart. So I'm still trying to learn this trade of 8 platform here, but I want to see the 64.1608. If price can break above that, I'll look for an entry. And another 30 seconds or so to this candle for 1 minute, slowly moving up. Another 20 seconds. It's kind of this flat top breakout on a 1 minute, but it's not really going up. But it's on a 5 minute, it's kind of trading sideways up, still building kind of that cut pattern. But it's right near that 64.16-ish level resistance, which is important to clear. All right, watching this last 1 minute candle form on a 5 minute, and it's right below that 64.16 still. So you'll see it's kind of trading sideways, hitting that resistance level on the tick, on the 500 tick at that 64.16. So we're going to watch this 5 minute candle form, see if it holds. If so, I'll watch to see if it breaks above 64.16 on the new 5 minute candle. But you'll see at the moment here, it's hitting tops, kind of a double top pattern, and it's forming a possible doji right around that 64.15 area. So I'm going to watch for this to form and then keep an eye on the pattern and see if it'll break above at some point above that 64.16-ish area. All right, so we have a new 5 minute candle, new 1 minute candle. It
Order
just got
filled.
entered. I may have gotten that one pretty late here. I jumped in on that one. So it's falling back down. I got in a little bit late on that move, sir. Now I got to watch this real quick to see if it holds and moves up. So you'll see it went up and smacked right back down real quick. So I want to watch this 1 minute candle form and hold its highs. Right now I'm down a little bit on this trade, but I'm going to keep an eye on it here. New hourly, new 5 minute candle. Everything's pretty bullish. So I'm going to use this 500 tick 900 EMA as my stop level. It's moving up right now. There it goes, 64.17. Now I'm going to watch that 64.20 as resistance. So I want to see this new 1 minute. So a new 1 minute candle forming. Want to see it hold its highs and push up and continue up. I'm going to watch that 64.20-ish level, whole dollar amount as resistance. If it fails and falls back down, I'll kind of use this 9 EMA 500 on the 500 tick as a stop level. So you'll see it's currently moving up. So I want to continue seeing some bullishness and just new 1 minute highs form. So this 1 minute candle is about to complete in 8 seconds. Want to see it hold its highs, continue up, and break above that 64.17-ish level. It's at the 15 marker, but want to see it move up. So new 1 minute candle. Want to see it break that 64.1750-ish level. Still watching. So keep using this 9 EMA on a, there it goes a little bit, right here as a guide. So I want to see it keep creating new highs on this tick, and then also keep an eye on this 1 minute chart right down over in here. See if it keeps making new highs. Again, it's a little bit overextended at the moment on a 1 minute, so I'm just going to keep watching it closely. So that 64.16-ish area right down over in here was the previous highs on the day. So now it's pulling back here to that 500 tick, bouncing, which is basically that 9 EMA on a 1 minute. So got to close below there right now. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this here. It's showing some weakness on the 500 tick, but it's bouncing on this 1 minute here. So I'm going to watch this 1 minute candle form and see what happens. Another 30 seconds left. Now it's bouncing back up. Want to see if it can go and break above that 64.18 level and see if it will go up and see what happens at 64.20. So it is continuing up, which we like to see. This 1 minute candle is about to form in 20 seconds. So want to see if it can hold its high, continue up. So it's another minute and 15 seconds left on this 5 minute candle as well. So far so good on this trade. One minute candle about to form a new one in 5 seconds. It's right at that 64.19. I'm going to take
Order
a profit.
filled.
All right, so I took profit on that one just because it kind of bounced down here on the 500 tick, showing a little bit of weakness on a 1 minute. It can still continue up, but that was another $100 or so trade on this. So that was a decent trade right here. Kind of move up a little bit of a scalp. It was getting closer to that resistance at 64.20, and it could have stayed in. Let's see what happens here. Play it out on this 1 minute and see. We'll give it a second. See another 30 seconds or so. Let's let it form. Let this 5 minute candle form and just see what happens here. Another 15 seconds. So I had that shooting star candle right at that 64.19. That's why I sold. And we have that 1 minute failure right now, right at the new 5 minute candle. You see this long kind of doji or long wick, upper wick on that 5 minute. So I got out. See, it was a good trade. I got out as it's starting to fail right down over here. So I think that was about another $100 I made here. I think that's 6 trades now. 6 trades since I've opened this account. $481 in 6 trades. So not bad start with this Apex account.